Hello everybody, how are you? This is Andrea, and in this video we will try out a couple of different minifee sized clothing and see how they look on the silicone bust that we've unboxed last time. If by any chance you haven't seen the unboxing video of Magnetic Duckling's silicone bust, there I pretty much share the basics and show how to switch the regular hard resin bust with the silicone one. And today it is time to put this product to the test. Here you can see Cassie wearing a nice underwear set. All of the minifee clothes that I have are meant to fit large minifee busts. But even though they are tailored to fit a certain size, it can still happen that some clothes will look a bit too baggy or a bit too tight. What I really like about this silicone bust is how well it conforms to all sorts of clothes, and it looks amazing in most instances. So, for example, this underwear looks pretty casual on Cassie. The bust looks more relaxed without too much cleavage. But what if we pick something a bit different? What if we try this swimwear set that I got a while ago? It has a different shape, so I have a feeling it will look differently on her too. Here you go! Can you tell the difference compared to the previous bra? I think it's quite obvious and it really gives her a different look. Also, if you see that the silicone is attracting some dust, just grab some talcum powder and gently apply it onto the surface. It will immediately help. Okay, now let's try this pink dress. Some clothes will definitely feel tight, but the silicone can squish a bit and adapt, so as long as you are gentle and patient, you should be able to make it work. By the way, this specific dress is not stretchy at all, so it really shows the flexibility of the silicone. Okay, let's take this dress off and try the next one. Time for another cute dress. This one is also not stretchy, so your first impression might be, oh, this is way too small for her. But I swear, with a little bit of patience, you will see that we can definitely fit it in the dress. It is really up to you what kind of look you want your doll to have. If you want a very pin-up or Victorian look with some very obvious cleavage, just hold the bust in the shape that you want while you put the clothes on. But if you want a more casual look, something more relaxed, just put on the clothes as you normally would. Okay, let's grab this next set. We have a stretchy top / dress and a skirt. I am using an extra skirt just because the dress is a little bit see-through, as you can see. In this case, you can see that the shape of the chest is way more relaxed because we have no straps to push it up and because the material is really stretchy. So again, it is a very different look from the previous ones. Let's try another look. This time I want to try a crochet top. This one is a little bit less stretchy than the previous piece. so it will definitely offer a bit more support this time. I like this one, it is so simple and cute. I feel like this really shows the versatility of this bust. But just because it is made out of silicone, it doesn't mean that you are only meant to use it to give your doll a massive cleavage. Then again, if you do, there is nothing wrong with that. It is really up to you how you end up styling it and the look that you like. Okay, here is the last set. Let's not forget about layering. In this case, I will leave the bra on just to give the bust a little bit of a lift underneath a really baggy top. So what do you think? I personally really like this silicone bust. And as I said last time, I totally plan on buying the tan skin version when it is released. I really wish I had a corset to show you a more Victorian look. But unfortunately I could not find anything in my doll clothing collection. But I am sure that this video gives you a really good idea of the potential. I really hope that this video was informative and useful. Thanks again to Magnetic Duckling for creating and sending to me this amazing product. I will leave all the links and info in the description box in case you want to follow Magnetic Duckling and be notified when the new pre-order starts. And last but not least, I am expecting all of these kinds of videos to be demonetized, because that's what YouTube has been doing to my videos. Which is why I'm so grateful to my supporters on Patreon. Without them, I wouldn't be able to hire an editor to help me bring you all of these videos. So thank you so much! Alright, it is time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye!